It's your girl Dominica back with another video. You can find me on social media at Dominica J. Please take a second to like this video, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I glittered this bottle of wine, and this is actually one of my favorite projects. I love glittering wine bottles. I'm starting out with adding some stones around the label, and I'm doing that with some E6000 glue. Now I'm going to use some Mod Podge to adhere the glitter to the bottle. You want to make sure you get a nice even coat of the Mod Podge. I'm pouring the Mod Podge on a plate because now that the bottle is glittered somewhat, I don't want this glitter to mix into my whole bottle of Mod Podge. Now on some bottles I do remove the back label and go ahead and glitter that as well. It's just totally up to you, and like I said, to me it just depends on the bottle. I decided to keep the label on this one. This is my go-to gift, especially for birthdays. My friends love wine, so what's better than a beautiful bottle of wine? After applying that first coat of glitter, I did let that sit and dry for about 30 minutes. What I'm doing now is adding a second coat, so it's just the same process over again. I'm just cleaning the bottom lines. I like my lines to be straight at the bottom. It just makes the appearance look much better. I'm gonna save this glitter by pouring it back into the bottle. Now you just want to knock off some of the excess glitter before we do the final coat. I'm switching up the Mod Podge that I'm using for the final coat because to me this just dries better. It doesn't take away some of the sparkle of the glitter like I found the other Mod Podge does. And if you notice, I'm dabbing the Mod Podge in, I'm not rubbing it on. I just love how this bottle turned out. I did add a black satin bow to it to finish it off. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.